Right guys, this is a bit of a request. Can you explain this to me? This is a smart bulb, only Wi-Fi. Had it about a year and a half, but when I started up, it does this. Now you got to really listen for the sound on this, and you might note the light is actually flickering like crazy until like 5 minutes in, and then it warms up and goes back to normal. That is flickering quite bad, and there's like a hissing sound from it. It seems a bit down on its brightness. Yeah, the other one, pardon me, sorry. I do apologise for that. The other one, exactly the same, which has had roughly the same run time, which is not a great deal, is perfect. I can't quite get in on it, so I'm not that tall. Hang on. There you go. That's what it is. It is multicoloured, well, RGB. I'm just going to show you some of the flickering. It's dropped down a bit, but it seems, I don't know, every day I turn this on, the flickering is actually getting worse and worse and worse. I was thinking at first it was possibly a dry cap or a couple of loose solder joints on it or something like that. So I don't know if these are a step down cap or if it's actually got the proper driver in it. I imagine it's got the proper driver in it because it's got to be, well, it's RGB, but I just don't know. So drop the power down to what it needs to be. So if you can let me know, man. Yeah, I'll be happy, lad. Not quite willing to let this bulb go yet, but I will if I have to. If I can fix it, I will. Strange, yeah, you can still see it flickering there. See, now it's starting to warm up, so it's not as bad. There's still a bit of a hissing sound there. It's like a hissing sound. See, it's gone now. But it's really bugging the hell out of me, man. Yeah, guys, any help will be much appreciated. See you soon. A couple of new videos coming up because I've got a arc welder. So we're going to have some fun with that. Kill some shit. And I have actually moved house now, so yeah. And that's only a few doors away. Pretty much the same as the old place. I'm still decorating it and shit. But we're getting there. See you soon, guys.